Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make ramen taste better. First, for a truly rich broth, use about 1/4 less water than the package recommends. This concentrates the flavor beautifully. Next, introduce a foundational flavor with a spoonful of miso paste or a splash of good quality soy sauce. Finally, don't skip fresh aromatics. A little minced garlic and grated ginger can transform your ramen. To improve noodle texture, cook them in a separate pot of boiling water, then add them to your prepared broth. This prevents a starchy, cloudy soup. For a luxurious touch, stir in a beaten egg right at the end or drizzle in some toasted sesame oil. And for an unexpected creamy, savory kick, try melting a slice of American cheese into the hot broth. Hey everyone, if you're enjoying these tips on making your ramen taste amazing, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Speaking of making things easy, especially when you're prepping all those delicious ramen toppings, you'll love these leak-proof meal prep containers. They're perfect for keeping your ingredients fresh. You can find the link to them and other great deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video. Transform your ramen into a complete meal by adding protein. Thinly sliced cooked chicken, pork belly, or even pan-fried tofu are excellent choices. Don't forget your greens. Quick-cooking vegetables like spinach, bok choy, or sliced mushrooms wilt perfectly in the hot broth. Finish with a generous sprinkle of fresh green onions and a pinch of chili flakes for color and a little heat. For an even more indulgent experience, fry an egg until the whites are set but the yolk is still runny. Place it on top of your ramen so the yolk can mix into the broth. A drizzle of homemade chili oil or a dash of sriracha adds fantastic spice and aroma. And for a surprising burst of freshness, a small squeeze of fresh lime juice right before serving can really brighten all the flavors.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.